But yeah, welcome to Coffee with Chloe in the morning. I will try and live stream Monday to Friday throughout the week, talking about how I leverage Web3 tech for social good using MarmaJ.near. So I'm generally on the Near protocol blockchain. And so I start with the Near wallet, wallet.near.org. And so I don't have much. So now that the workshop's over, I feel more comfortable, actually feeling, okay, we did it, it's over, we ran it. It wasn't perfect. We have some cards from it. So we got these bad boys. So we have the other cards are going to be shipped here tomorrow, the packs. It's life, Now we have packs to do another event. We actually have an event in June where we're going to be able to use them. So everything works out the way it's supposed to. But also Bianca's proposal. Yes, Bianca also has a proposal for 2.19 because she did the marketing and helping with the guides and the outreach to make sure that everything was done to get ready for the workshop, as well as at the workshop doing all the content creation, taking photos and content of what was going on. Giving out link drops to people, doing all the tech support. So much appreciated, Bianca. Thank you for all the tech support and all the other kind of support for the event. And obviously thanks to the Near Foundation, Creatives DAO, Marketing DAO for all the support. Running events is hard. We learned a lot, and we're excited to participate in more events in the future for sure. Ooh, that's cool. Putting your contribution percent. Ooh, this is cool. Putting your contribution percent. Ooh, this is cool. I like this. Ooh. Oh, this is so cool. This is so awesome. So, okay, I don't even know how to dig into this and explain because it's so cool. But, okay, so there's a game, Crypto Heroes. There's a 3-minute cooldown, so I'm kind of waiting to play anyway. So I'll explain it in a minute. But the game Crypto Heroes where you play, we raid together, right? So we have a raid, so we're not in first yet, right? We're 17 kills behind. We got to get together. Our team's got to lobby up. Right, we're 4 out of 8, and then once we get 8 out of 8, we can jump into the dungeon and beat the raid boss. It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. And so because of that, I was like, okay, well, the MarmaJ DAO should incentivize this cool thing. It builds community, it builds support in the blockchain space where things can be very dangerous, and so I think it's important to continue building community here. And so we have it to where if you come first place, you get 1.69 MarmaJ, and if you come second or any other place, you get 1.19 MarmaJ, and then Soph has added in this new contribution percent. Oh, they're so cool, and they've gone into the Explorer, so they indexed the chain. I wish I don't know. I feel like we need whole so Ernest, if when you see this. When you and Lawrence are making videos and looking for topic ideas and working with Soph, this is the kind of videos we need, teaching people all this cool stuff that's happening. Because I'm not the best at explaining it. I just think it's so cool. So you can, and if you do less than 6% or something, actually let's just check it out. Announcements. Okay. So if you get less than 6.25%, you don't get any rewards. Okay? And so you can see, I can't keep. I'm so I'm busy. I don't think I haven't been this busy in a long time. But for hard, for example, you can see that MarmaJ. Even I got above 6 point whatever percent. It's hard though, man, because I can only go with the one character and whatever. Okay, Chloe probably did more. Ooh, good job, team. Good job, team. Okay, and then easy. Yeah, not even just. I know. Bianca can't. There's no way we're going to be able to. But they need to get this on mobile. And some good news. This game might go on mobile. You know what I might do? Some craziness right now. Okay. Now, for example, Chloe.near, an account that I manage, submitted a proposal yesterday for 43.8 MarmaJ tokens for the 20 Coffee with Chloe in the Morning streams for May. This is the 20th one. So now I could actually vote this through saying, you know what? Yes, this actually happened. And we can open this link in a new tab, see the playlist, and it'll show 19 for now, but Tuesday, May 31st is, so right here live. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can even, anyone who wants to vote here can just count the videos. So here we go. MarmaJ.near, we're logged in as right now. So we show the wallet, we're logged in with our ledger. I'll zoom in a little bit. We got about $12 in network gas tokens that allow us to spend on gas fees for each transaction on the blockchain. And we're logged in as MarmaJ.near. So when we vote, it will redirect to this Near wallet once again, and it will say MarmaJ.near is going to, well, first of all, connect the ledger and then sign this wonderful transaction called acting on the proposal. And what we're doing on the proposal is we're voting yes, we're vote approving on this proposal, and that's the action we're taking. Now, once 2 out of 3 vote yes, it will pass. And so you can see there's 1 vote yes, another one right now, and there's a bunch of other approved proposals here. So it was approved, and so the page will refresh, and you can see, boom, 20 videos, 43.8 MarmaJ, and now Chloe's got a little more MarmaJ. We sent 219 MarmaJ to Near Hub. We have a few proposals to do. Things to do. So this is Chain Team Tactics. I will try my best to, make the screen smaller and showcase what's going on. I'm a little pixel pets and just, make sure we're still playing first. Boom. So for Chain Team Tactics, pretty much you get some units. And so you mint units at first. I'll go through a little overview because it's the first time I'm playing it. And so I would suggest if someone wants to play, you go to ecosystem.pixeldaps.co and you just click on Chain Team Tactics, you start reading. But mainly you need 6 units to start battling. And if you do the top 10 in the beta, you can win stuff. And so you come here and you click mint, because we were on the whitelist, or you can do discounted minting, or you can do regular minting for 2 near. So discounted is 1.5 near. I don't know who gets discounted minting, but whitelist minting is 1 near. So we did quite a few whitelist mints. We have 13 characters, and you can kind of see that necromancers are rare. We got a necromancer on our Chloe account recently. And so you can see the characters we have. We have some elementalists, we have a squire, we have a priest, we have a marksman, more priests, a chemist, a knight, a mage, a warlock, and another knight. So we try and battle. We can either create a new challenge, or we can look for someone else's challenge. I've actually been having quite a bit of issues with the game. The game is in beta. And so let's try and refresh the page and see if we can find a challenge so that I can actually showcase what the game looks like on here. I also have Chloe.near, so that, so if this doesn't work, I could try and show it quickly on Chloe.near. Yeah, so I can't find a match here. I will try and find one on Chloe.near, well, since we're here. Oops. Oh, the lag. Let's just refresh the page. Let's say them on a lag. Okay, so you can see, let's try and look at a challenge that already happened. So to keep it really simple. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's slow it all the way down and you can kind of see what happens. So I am on the right-hand side, I think, and I'm facing the person on the left. I'm going to lose. 3 marksmen and 3 druids is OP. Okay. Mage has AoE, but it doesn't make a difference. Because the mage dies too quick. And yeah, so the mage here, right, if you watch it, is able to do an AoE attack, which is pretty cool. Like if I had 3 mages, I think that would be great. Oh, Necromancer's finally doing something with some skeletons. So the Necromancer raises the dead for skeleton. Druids create wolves every 7 seconds. That's why druids are OP. Like the other team has 3 wolves out right now, and I can't end up killing those wolves. But we're sending out skeletons and wolves. So my idea was 3 marksmen, skeleton, wolves, and it's going pretty well. But the mage didn't do well, so I need something else to replace my mage. But I'm gonna go 10x speed so we can just see what happens. I'm actually very happy with the Necromancer. I think I just need something better than, like maybe if we had a healer. Yeah, I think a healer would have done better, because the healer would have kept. Yeah, we definitely lose now, because marksmen and druids, like none of the marksmen or druids died. It's an insanely OP strategy, and I don't even think I have enough characters to get that. But maybe I'll buy some right now, so we'll see. All the reward tokens, 8 token rewards coming soon. Very excited about that. Now that we have these reward tokens, 1 second. Okay. Continuing now. So we've withdrawn all the rewards. We have about $130 in rewards from yesterday, and we're gonna try our best to take the rewards out that are above $5 in value. So because we have this extra pixel token farm, we are getting quite a bit of PXT each day. And so for example, we're getting 287 PXT arguably for free, right, in this farm. Let's call it.